let's go.
That's a chocolate Swiss cake, right? Premium choco fudge Swiss roll. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna open the dessert. Ooh. That's the Swiss chocolate.
Excited to try it. Wow. Sobrang kapal ng chocolate niya, oh.
Chocolate mousse.
Okay, ready?
Alright, try it. Oh, yum, yum, yum.
That chocolate, so creamy. It's really gonna melt in your mouth.
So on top of it, there's like a thick chocolate, dark chocolate on the top of the cake. Yeah, it's creamy. It's not so sweet. It's a little bit bitter because it's a dark chocolate cake. I like it. Ooh. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. Cheers. Yum. So this is avocado faluda. It's just like avocado smoothie with some cashew nuts, pistachio on top of it, and with some ice cream.
Now mine is mango faluda. Look at that. It's a mango shake with cashew and some nuts, different kinds of, toppings,
Mango ice cream, right?
and a mango ice cream. Oh, so good.
This is our favorite dessert.
So all in all, ang total lahat nito, it's around $13. Sobrang the best and sulit. Napakasarap ng cake, napakasarap nitong mango faluda, and napakasarap nitong avocado faluda.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright.
Yeah. Tapos may cake din. Super rich with chocolate. Look at that. Grabe, hindi namin maubos to. Hanggang ganito lang kami.
So during weekend, it's our cheat day.
Yup, during weekends, ito yung ginagawa namin.
Food trip.
Food trip, we reward ourselves. The whole
Intermittent
week,
fast kami.
intermittent fast kami. 1 meal a day. And we stay healthy. Alam nyo na, pag kumakain kang ganito, definitely you have to exercise. Kasi, for sure yan, kung hindi ka mag-exercise, naku, it's not good. So, yeah.
Right.
So I
This
think
one, so good. If you're gonna delve to it, so there are fruits as well inside. I don't know, I think, ano tong haba-haba? I think noodles, right?
Pancit.
Oh yeah,
It's noodles?
it's noodles. Yeah.
So cool. Cheers. I'm so full. Hindi ko na maubos yung faluda ko. Ano pang natitirang konti. Busog na ako. Sobrang busog. Sobrang dami niyang fruits, look. Iba't ibang klaseng fruits. May mango, meron siyang mga may noodles, may raisins,
Nuts.
may mixed nuts, different kinds.